Welcome to this tutorial. So if you're watching, you're interested in getting either Rias or Akeno's makeup look, this is what I use. I did a photo shoot on both of them recently, and this is the makeup look that I used for both characters. I feel like it's very easy. The only thing you really need to do is make sure that you have the different color lenses, because Rias has blue eyes and Akeno has these really cool magenta-y, purple-y, red type of eyes. I don't know how to explain them. Anime is cool like that. But yeah, so I am doing all the basics: foundation, lots of concealer. If you guys are going to cons, which I have not been to one since 2019, you are going to want to make sure that everything is even on your face if you want to be taking lots of pictures, and just making sure everything is nice and set. I really miss cons. I wish that they would be back, but first and foremost, we really want to just make sure that everyone is healthy and there's a vaccine. So what I like to do with a lot of anime characters is I like to take a white shimmering shadow and place this under the brows. Now, this is just a highlighter from this brand called FOXYBAE, and this color is called Hippo. So I place a lot of highlighter in the inner corners, and for both girls, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette and take this color called Turkish Delight, and we're gonna place that all over the lid. I wanted a red base type of look because the costume they wear, the skirt, is kind of a dark red. It goes great with Rias's hair, it goes great with Akeno's hair. So yeah, then I'm taking the color called Saffron, and this is going to be the matte shadow transition from the shimmering shadow. And also, what I like to do for anime characters is I like to wear circle lenses. That's a no-brainer. People have been doing this for a long time. So if you're not comfortable with circle lenses, you don't have to. But that is just a quick tip, which honestly isn't, you people already know that. So then I'm taking a dark red brown, and this is going to be the crease color. You just want to make sure you blend that nice and well, because if you don't, it's just going to look muddy and patchy. You also want to run that on your lower lash line and add some white liner, because this is going to make the eyes look more bigger. Then I'm just taking that sparkly rusty shadow and then doing my signature winged eyeliner. I always do winged eyeliner with anime characters. I kind of like a blend of modern makeup with a little bit of dolly makeup inserted into that. I don't like to go all out with anime eyes. I like to keep the eyes a little bit more simple when I cosplay, but it is up to you on however you would like to do it. Then I put a little bit of fake eyelashes on the bottom. They're drawn on with the marker. That'll give you kind of a wide-eyed effect. And these eyelashes, they're called Sweet Eyelash, and they're my favorite. I get this from this website called Yes Style, and they're really inexpensive. And also, if you can save yourself some money if you use my code Nicole. Apply that to checkout, and it'll save you money, and you can get these really cool anime lashes. I like to call them anime lashes, but they're dolly lashes, and these are honestly my favorite. I don't like to use any other type of lashes when I do cosplays or anime looks specifically. When I do Disney characters, I like really fluttery lashes, but I like to use dolly lashes for anime characters. Then I add a little bit of highlight on my nose and cheeks. Sometimes I like to keep my face matte. It really depends on the day. This day in particular, I did a professional photo shoot, so I wanted my cheeks to look really sparkly and pretty for the light to catch. And I just take a bold pink blush all over your cheeks. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move on to the lips. And I think the color I used here, I don't know why I didn't show it, but it's called Boldly Bare by MAC. You don't have to use MAC. You can use any peachy lip, I don't know why I'm having a brain fart, lip liner. And then I use this Fruit Punch, I think that's what it's called, lipstick from Ulta Beauty. I love it. It's very muted, and it's just perfect for the look. So this is my Rias look. All I did was just change the wig. And if you guys really are passionate about cosplay, you can invest in a breastplate. I honestly don't want to do that, but these characters have giant jugs, so just keep that in mind. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial, and if you haven't already, follow my cosplay account. See you guys soon. Bye.